Yo yo yo, Radesh here. Welcome to my channel. So who am I? Well, I'm a software developer from Romania. In case you have no idea where that is, it's this country right here. A little bit about Romania. We have nice girls, it's shaped like a fish, and we have something really good to eat called mici. Now, let me tell you a little bit about myself. I have a bachelor's degree in computer science, around 5 years of professional experience, and my primary tech stack revolves around .NET. Oh, and I also have a pet snake, his name is Apep. So why did I create this channel? Well, I just want to demonstrate that coding is not that hard and that it can be learned in a fun and interactive way. I also want to challenge myself to something different in which I have absolutely no experience, and hopefully I will also gain more knowledge by teaching. So what will actually happen? The plan is to create short, easy to follow, animated or code-based videos. I'll try to keep them around 7 to 10 minutes long. I will cover both basic and more advanced topics. And I'll also talk about soft skills, which is unfortunately something very few people focus on. I also plan to create day in the lives, POV videos, Q&As, and maybe I'll even tell you my secret cheeseburger recipe. So what's next? In the next video, I'll tell you how I became a software developer story that almost had a really bad ending. That's about it for this video. If you found anything remotely interesting, please like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications bell. Also, if you have any questions that I can answer in a future Q&A, improvement ideas, or you just want to say hi, please drop a comment below. Until the next video, have a good one. Radesh out.